How to get a free Singapore Airlines upgrade. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can get a free Singapore Airlines upgrade. So if you are looking to get a free upgrade on Singapore Airlines, this is the best tutorial for you to watch. The first step here is to log in into your Singapore Airlines account. Now, once you've logged in, ensure you have an account with Singapore Airlines. Yes, this is because you can always use Singapore Airlines even without having an account. So the best thing to do is to ensure that you have an account with Singapore. So after creating an account, you see your membership number being displayed here. Next to it, you see the number of miles available, your KrisFlyer account, and then you can also see other options as well. And then by the top right corner of your screen, you would see your profile icon instead of the sign in and the login option that would have been there before. So as you can see this, for you to be able to get an upgrade is by making use of your mouse. Alright, so go to, after clicking on your profile icon, in the options displayed, click on mouse. Then after selecting mouse, you'll be taken to the mouse page. On this page, you can see several options such as how to earn, how to use, transfer mouse, statement, etc. Just go ahead and click on how to use. Then after clicking on how to use, you can see discover the places, experiences, and rewards you can enjoy with your KrisFlyer mouse. Then you can see the option redeem mouse. So you wait for this to load too. Once that's loaded, you can now see the different kind of flights that you have. Currently, this is not available for me to use because I don't have any miles available on my account. But for you, once you have enough miles, you see different options of how you can make use of your miles to upgrade your flight here. And also, you can see other things that you can use your miles for. So as you can see this, you can decide to upgrade your mouse, upgrade your flight using your mouse. But if not, you can also do this by going to your manage booking page. So on the home page, scroll down to the part of the page of the screen where you can see book trip, manage booking, check-in, and click on manage booking. After clicking on manage booking, enter in your booking reference, click on manage booking, and then you'll be taken to your bookings page. On this page, you can see details about your bookings, and then you can also edit your booking. You can just decide to top up the fare difference between maybe a class that you're trying to upgrade to and the one that you have currently. So just pay the difference and then change your booking to a higher cabin class, just like that. Regardless of your upgrade option, your flights would be ticketed and operated by Singapore Airlines. So here is how it works. Enjoy a better experience in the sky with a cabin upgrade. Thank you.